Hello kids! Today we will learn about daily routine vocabularies along with images. Let's start! Wake up early. Make the bed. Brush your teeth. Go to bathroom. Do exercise. Take a bath. Get dressed. Comb your hair. Preparing breakfast. Have breakfast. Pack your bags. Go to school. Wait for the bus. Get on the bus. Ride a bicycle. Read a book. Have lunch. Practice the guitar. Go home. Wash your hands. Wash your face. Play with friends. Do your homework. Go for a walk. Walk with dog. Listen to music. Feed the dog. Water the plants. Paint the picture. Surf the internet. Watching TV. Cut your nails. Drinking water. Read the newspaper. Put on makeup. Take a taxi. Drive a car. Go to work. Go shopping. Do the laundry. Hang up the laundry. Iron the clothes. Clean the window. Wash the dishes. Clean the house. Take out the trash. Preparing dinner. Take rest. Set the alarm. Go to bed.
Subscribe Kids Entry and enjoy with Kids Entry videos.